Bifold barn door hardware lets you mount new or existing bifold doors using flat track hardware. One hanger slides back and forth on the track when opening and closing the door. The other hanger is fixed to the track with a lock bracket and does not move. The hangers are mounted to top mount plates, which allow the doors to rotate while the hanger remains flat on the track. A pivot is mounted to the bottom of the door under the fixed hanger and lets the door pivot while keeping one side fixed in place. A set of 3 hinges allows the doors to fold out when opened. Bifold doors can be installed in either a single door configuration or a double door setup with each door opening to its respective side of the doorway and meeting in the middle when closed. Adjustable spacers let you adjust the distance between your doors and the wall. It's recommended that you mount your hardware into a header board if installing onto drywall. To have full access to your opening, it's recommended that your doors and track overlap the edge of the doorway by at least 6 inches. That being said, bifold barn door hardware is a great option to save space when there is limited clearance at the sides of the doorway, as the track does not necessarily need to extend past the edge of the opening. If you have any questions, reach out to us today.